let's get to it. Yeah. What is up, babies? It is your girl, your homie, Naomi. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're new here, make sure you go and subscribe down below. And if you're not new here, say it with me. Hey girl, hey. So today we're going to attempt to dye my hair. This is not a tutorial. We just gonna do what it do. Honestly, we're just gonna do what it do. I do need to get a towel on the floor because I'm clumsy. I have all my products right in front of me. I have my hair dyes, I have my Loreal HiColors, I have my clips, I have my bowl, I have my developer, I have my gloves, I have my napkins. I do not have Vaseline. Okay, I do not have Vaseline. So I'm gonna go grab the last two items and we can go ahead and jump into this video. Okay, I have my hair dyeing shirt on. This is my Earth Girl shirt. I love this shirt. It just so happened that I wore it the last time I got my hair dyed, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna keep this as my hair dyeing shirt. Anytime I want to do like any type of hair dyes, we're just gonna use this shirt. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I have to get ready for the hair dyeing process. So first things first, I obviously have my bowl that is just filled. It's just my bowl so I can mix in my developer and HiColor, and then obviously the brush that goes with it. This is from Sally's. I'll have it linked down below. I also have my Salon Care 30 Volume Clear developer. I was talking to the girl in Sally's and she was like, this is probably the best option to do since my hair is already like dyed in a sense. And then I have my 2 packs of Loreal HiColor in the shade Copper. I brought 2 of them because I do have thick or medium density hair, I like to say. So I decided to get 2 of them just so that way I can use all of that for my hair. Obviously you're gonna need some clips. Sorry they look a little my storage container with all my hair product stuff, I think the rubber band's melted and some reason like it's turning black. I don't know. Anyway, I have that. I have some clear gloves. I have combs and to part and to detangle. And then lastly, I have obviously a mirror so I can see up close and personal. Hi you guys. And then I have my colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix Cajun Spice and Cinnamon together. This is from Kiss. They're like $5 a piece. And I'm going to mix these two. I don't want like a red color. I want a mix of like a ginger. So I'm trying to mix these 2 colors and get like a brownish red in a sense. Not too red so I can tone it down. But we're going to see what this is going to look like. And then obviously some Vaseline to put on my ears, and I am going to be dyeing my eyebrows, so I'm going to put that around my eyebrows and just around the perimeter of my head so that way I don't stain. But this is what we got. First things first is that I want to section my hair before I do my mix. Yeah, I'm going to section my hair first before I start mixing my products. My hair was pretty much already detangled. So I'm going to do, yeah, so I'm just going to, my hair is pretty much detangled. I'm just going to go ahead and section off my hair into 4 sections. Alright babe, so we are ready to get started. I went ahead and mixed in all the content of the HiColor and the developer. Hopefully this is right. I know it's supposed to be like a creamy consistency, not too like runny or anything. I'm going to add a little bit more developer. I was like, maybe I grabbed the wrong developer, but I grabbed the clear developer instead of the cream developer. So I was a little hesitant, but we're going to see what it do. I'm going to mix this in really quick. I'm going to mix this in so you guys can see. So it's supposed to be like a creamy texture. Alright, this thing is super strong. Alright guys, so it is fully on. I'm about to brush up my brows because I am going to dye my eyebrows too. I'm going to brush up my brows and put Vaseline on my skin really quick. I'm hoping this goes well. I'm hoping I got everything. I'm not sure if this is the correct way to dye your eyebrows, but we gonna try. We gonna really try. I'm gonna take a spoolie and pretty much just hope for the best, really. IDK how this is about to go. I'm hoping for the best. I'm just gonna spoolie through them because I feel like that helps. We just gonna hope for the best, you know what I'm saying? Like, we gonna hope for the best. I'm waiting for like 30 minutes to allow this to process, but I don't know if you guys can see the front part of my hair has already started to shift to the color, and I know this is the color because my hair did this last time. I just want like, you know, all my dark hair to lift as well. So I don't want to rinse it off too early. My hands are a little stained, my nails are stained, but it is what it is. So I washed out the dye, and let's just say my roots are definitely hot, okay? They are hot. The block is hot, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix in the cinnamon with the Cajun spice. I'm gonna do more of the Cajun spice, obviously, because that's what I have most of, and I'm gonna add the cinnamon just to tone it down a bit. Right now it looks really rich. As you guys know, Cajun spice is a little bit more it's just a little bit more red, and I'm looking for like just to tone it down. This is what the color is looking like.
Vito, baby. Yeah. I know that you've been through some things. Sick and tired of playing games with these niggas. I know you need someone to keep it real. Let me tell you how I feel. You got what I want. I pray for you. You're so ambitious. Plus you listen. Love the way that you hold it together. By yourself, independent. You don't need nobody help. Oh, baby, you don't hear this enough. So I gotta tell you, I'm proud of you. Thanks for not giving up. But let me hold you down and take some of that pressure off. You know that you don't need me, but I need you to let me hold you down like I'm supposed to. Let me show you, baby, I can be your soldier. You know I promise I'ma hold you down, make sure everything is right with you. You won't have to worry if you let me hold you in my arms through the night. I wanna love you all the time, even when we fight. You know I got you, girl. Oh, baby, baby, you can never go wrong if you let me hold you down. Let me show you what it feel like. I treat your mama like my mama, 'cause that's only right. Embrace your flaws, girl, I love them all. I know you coming with some baggage, girl, I'll take it off. Close, girl, for you I do the most. You my baby, you the go. You my future baby mama. You pull up when I say go. I'll ride as long as you by my side, baby. Girl, just open up down like a romance supposed to. I'm trying to show you that you ain't gotta do this by yourself. Late paying the bill, you need some help. Girl, you know I got you. Keep your money to yourself and let me hold you down like I'm supposed to. Let me show you, baby, I can be your soldier. You know I promise I'ma hold you.
Alright babes, so it is the next day. So basically what happened last night is I washed out the semi-permanent dye and I pretty much deep conditioned for the rest of the night. I was tired, one, and on top of that my hair was feeling dry. I think it's because my hair was dry already, so that's why I was feeling dry then. So after deep conditioning, I woke up this morning, rinsed it out, and I decided to style my hair. Now I did not style my hair in this video. I will have another video up on a wash and go on this new color, so make sure you guys look out for that. Make sure you guys have your post notifications on, so that way you know when your girl posts the video. But this is what the color is looking like. It is giving, giving Little Flame, like always. Like, I feel like I'm Little Flame always. It's definitely giving that. So far my hair is not dried all the way, just very like bright. It's picking up brighter on camera than it is in real life. Maybe if I go into the light it'll look different. I'll show you guys another view. But this is pretty much it for this video. I hope that you guys like this video. Make sure you guys are engaging in the comment sections once this video is uploaded, and also make sure you guys share this video, turn your post notifications on, and subscribe to the channel because your girl's trying to get to 1K by the end of this year. Let's make it happen. I'm going to push out the content. You guys go ahead and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.